At the outset, I just want to thank Madhuri Dixit Nene for absolutely being charming and coming here. First of all, thank you very much, Shubhi. Thank you very much for a beautiful introduction. At the outset, I just want to thank Madhuri Dixit Nene for absolutely being charming and coming here and being a part of this festival. We go a long way together, but we will not talk about that right away. We're going to talk about what the festival is and why this festival is being brought about. I'm a part of the biggest dance festival in the world, which is celebrated every year in the summer, of the European summer, which is the Impulse Dance in Vienna. And this is my 10th year that I'll be teaching there. And it has the biggest dance facilities in the world, and it's supported by the European Union. बस यही एक मकसद था कि हम सभी जो डांसर्स हैं उनको एक साथ मिलाएं, एकजुट बन जाएं और जब पांचों उंगलियां मिल जाती तो ताकत बन जाती है. तो हम चाहते हैं कि डांस को वैसे भी जैसे माधुरी जी इज वेरी वेरी पॉपुलर विद झलक एंड आल्सो फॉर द फैक्ट दैट शी हैज डांस ब्यूटीफुली इन मूवीज. I have been given this great respect and this honor thanks to Dance India Dance, which is a great platform for emerging artists and emerging talent. And it is my responsibility and probably also hers that we make sure that we can create something which is alive, which is kicking, which can bring the youth of the country and also people who are dance lovers, aficionados, all those people who want to really love dance and all the ones who want to create dance to come together and share that experience. So that was the aim of the festival. Very, very happy and proud to present this one in its first year, and it's our great privilege that we have Madhuri to inaugurate this festival and kickstart. Most importantly, that I think सभी जो जानते हैं कि 29th April अंतर्राष्ट्रीय डांस दिवस है. So it's an international dance day and it's celebrated all around the world. इसकी खास बात ये है कि ये सिर्फ परफॉर्मेंस या वर्कशॉप नहीं, लेकिन यहाँ पर पैनल डिस्कशंस होंगे where the government of India, where also the funding bodies like the Tatas and the IFAs will come together on one platform and discuss opportunities for dancers as to what they can do and how they can apply for funding. We all know that a lot of dancers get funding abroad, especially American dancers and European dancers. They have a great access to corporate funding and to government funding. The government of our country also has kept funding for dancers, but it never reaches them because most dancers don't know about it. So we're also educating dancers. We're also bringing Max Muller Bhavan, Alliance Francaise, the American Center, Pro Helvetica. These are all consulates which have joined hands with us to educate Indian dancers and Indian artists about what opportunities they have abroad. So this way they get access to a lot of information and not just performance and workshop. Also, the unique feature of this festival is that it's Indo-contemporary, and most importantly, we're also starting something called site-specific work. Most dancers look at platform like a stage, but we're also giving dancers an opportunity to perform anywhere, which means it could be a tree, it could be a people tree, in a compound, in a space like Andrews or NCPA, and a performance is being celebrated around that tree. And Indo-contemporary lends itself. So you don't have to have the typical stage setting. It could be a very unique setting. And the youth of today love contemporary dance simply because even though you might learn the specific style, you can give it your own voice, your own language, and make it your own. And that's the power of contemporary dance. And the youth of today are very, very clear that they want to speak their language. After learning what they can from the gurus, they are very interested in sharing something which they feel is important to them. So that's why Indo-contemporary is so much dear to young people, and that's the whole idea of getting this whole movement going a little bit more further. I think I've spoken a lot, and I guess a lot of questions are there in your heads, so I'll leave it open for that. Thank you very much.
लेकिन आप सबका स्वागत है. आज मुझे यहाँ के बहुत खुशी हो रही है, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि ना कि सिर्फ हिंदुस्तान में, लेकिन सारे देश में, सारी दुनिया में बहुत टैलेंट है, और इस टैलेंट को डिस्कवर करना, उसे सराहना, उसे मोल्ड करना बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. और इसी थॉट को लेते हुए टेरेंस ने ये फेस्टिवल बनाया है जुगनी, जहाँ टैलेंट डिस्कवर होगी. जो डांसर्स हैं जिनको कभी कभी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ भी नहीं मिलते हैं, उन्हें ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दी जा रही है कि वो वहाँ आए, परफॉर्म करे, अपनी आर्ट पूरे दुनिया को दिखाए. तो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई थिंक आई एम वेरी प्राउड. और मैं इस बात पे भी मुझे गर्व है कि डांस विद माधुरी जो मेरी ऑनलाइन डांस एकेडमी है, वो इस फेस्टिवल के साथ जुड़ी हुई है, क्योंकि ये मेरा मानना है कि टैलेंट को हमें सर्च करना है और उसे एक दिशा देनी है जो अभी नहीं है. और मैं यहाँ क्यों हूँ, क्योंकि टेरेंस और मेरी पहचान बहुत बहुत पहले की है. और जब वो स्ट्रगल कर रहे थे, जब मैं भी एक अपना करियर बना रही थी लेकिन मैं अपना करियर बना रही थी, तब की पहचान है. और मैंने देखा कि इंडिया में कितना स्ट्रगल करना पड़ता है डांसर्स को, उन्हें वो अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलती नहीं है. उन्हें अपना हुनर दिखाने की जो एक वक्त होता है वो मिलता नहीं है. और आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ यू टेरेंस कि यू आर डूइंग दिस. तो ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू एंड ऑल द बेस्ट टू दिस फेस्टिवल. थैंक यू.